mala kenyam be nyodo deran dere computer basic netin content yoske administrator ka computer basic key introduction ka computer dere use kenyam boka CMD, and then CMD luna command prompt up. Okay, I can simply click and screen me be no mishi click. Next thing the gorbo the ngajedi, there's a shortcut for that. Next thing you have to do is that start menu mishi pop up like this, so you simply have to press it and you hold be ramping, and then be R ka keyboard be twine R mishi R twine be screen me be ben gome mete chamana. So the next thing when you simply have to type CMD and then be enter. So by using the same screen bar, more than they use two-way. Either you simply type CMD ke start menu can R by namanong be CMD be lel visual. So na misha ben first thing man bana lel o they don't they just to version computer kadu ka computer use a new window system and then key operating system and then ka computer bo RAM the SI minindi tetenon ka manufacturer a manufacturer material, so take a code for that. The easy code and key shortcut and quantum ka use ka usually DXDIG mishi las DXDIG a chilat ka computer right now. The next thing you enter mishi enter batagam be skin ba pop up. Okay, sometime there is yoga yes or no sometime, but kaya already I've been using this to show some of my friends yes and no already pop up correct. So the next thing you have to do, you have to say yes simply because be information that will go be kula nena go mo kon kaman chinen go mane to con ke system displayed display 2 sound 1 sound 2 sound 3 and input, but go con system go ke system to con ke tools. Okay, to share ke report na to ko computer run. So ken yam ke system information to con ke chang mishala current date che ke chang wala chang ka chang ndaru kel ka paywero ron kindi jandaro ron kinero wide jandaro. Okay, ke 2020 computer system named and key computer name on a desktop D5J3EV4 operating system than a Windows 10 Pro 64 bits 10.0 build 18362 language than a English official English system manufacturer a Dell INC system model Optiplex 3010 BIOS that de kon la chere Paibang one Changawal Badak, okay, 2012 like that. Take it and other things, okay. Processor use con Intel Core i5-347 CPU, etc. Memory RAM dan 6GB RAM. Muluno 6GB RAM again ku speed and terminal ka computer run. Came and jako to about faster, okay, like this. Now it's moving very fast, okay. So man jaga karan is mostly a tele scratch within telango mishi twine chabu delay chabu tedi essentially memory. So memory ku speed and anti computer mo ku jaga jago. Na me page file, okay, this is where all the information and content cha user computer laka no con. Chukon around 4514 MB available. Available. 33 3,387 MB use it. So 45 MB available right now. So me con go use new the con information to go kunga ke kui computer kadan ko be so nga chanki jeng window be so nga jito window da e window den user money donc they could update comme ci jeng ne jan boko donc ci software ke operating system de use mi ci ko ke donc ci sound che be ka computer bi nga jo en model ni de ke model den the computer da ler ka jamona in this way da jilwa. Okay, to con ke display one name full report ki information je con gelel tang me already display 2 no sound 1 sound 2 sound 3 input already. Okay, so I'm not going to talk about this one, but man DXDIAC a very important ke information ka quick computer ka do trodi ka ngai. Next thing bana woko muguri je don keyboard chelet ka guro to de on screen keyboard de camera ka computer de ngulel. Sometimes you can say OSK ka system gom. Okay, they're on screen there now. But imagine somebody you have advanced be shortcut bring computer, so you don't have to use mouse all the time. Next thing you have to do a simple start menu and R, and this thing will come. You can simply say OSK, then you enter. OSK which you enter, begin full information, okay, and full information ben nongi new the G can tin konti lat korodian ka quick keyboard. For instance, they contribute in time keyboard gome language take a tok kawaine. So they get the lat ka tungware. Down here gome dong chimeno chabungo take a different keyboard to install to share design to kasha program already, okay? T English United States ethin T Nuer keyboard ethin a lot of many USA keyboard Nuer keyboard name the na shalat gome Nuer keyboard. So go kuja moment go kon let's say Nuer keyboard machine there jinung cheka ho, okay, ta hatin ho he a o name ha ke ha ke nga o ke e, okay. Kediti ka banatong na today you look at typing meti ka on screen keyboard. So the only thing odi on screen keyboard is jek ojin mishi keyboard she type gomen let me change the keyboard again because bokula type bokula knew what I mean here. So I can simply say OSK, okay, and then enter. So this screen will come up, you know the corner this screen de jagatak is screen keyboard using a start menu, and then you type CMD, and then under inside CMD you say OSK. So be screen at ka computer right now mugi economy. So there is jilwak mishi using more. One thing man. Second to that, you go rojin de computer application and content che save then you go de ngai de ko ngaji din, okay. Let's close this. The next thing about use go CMD or con bana information and content array computer and install they con canon. So there's a shortcut for that. You can set up APPWIZ up with check up wizard, okay, up with dot cpl up with dot cpl yen by konong information content channel install ko computer and application channel install ko computer and mete magur kone ki min look on dorede bana jagoja application mo. This is a easy way to access it. Chibuloka control panel, and then you lock you go to program features, and then build online. Simple, you can use CMD and then upwith.cpl, and then you enter. When you enter, this thing will come up. Especially me, these are the application that I have in my computer already, okay. So titin konan chalare. So you can simply type this thing. The other thing like ms config, okay, a lot of things. When you enter it, this thing will appear, ms config. This one will come on your screen using CMD, okay, like both service startup tools. You can start up don't really open manager like go manage, and this is open manager in such a way, very easy way, okay. So thank you, Charlotte. Let me go to Notepad and thank you all. Thanks you for watching, okay. Please sorry, please what's wrong with me? Please subscribe, okay. Oh my bad again. Subscribe again, Gora, okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Mugur joto de ya gorba just ko gor ku comment ki gor manana de gor ka mi tong nor le wese shilosh da tet, okay. Langa G and nyaka ka nas tin koken, okay. So no more katong nere no so chilate dane bukan ko sekel kaya biata kamale no poste kayen dial. Bye bye.